For a long time, my life felt messy. Not in a dramatic, everything's falling apart way. It was just quietly out of control. Rooms were half cleaned, tasks were half finished, and all my big plans were always pushed to tomorrow. I wasn't failing, but I was drifting. If you've ever felt like your life isn't falling apart, but it also isn't really going anywhere, this might resonate with you. I tried to fix everything at once. I built new routines, set big, ambitious goals, and watched hours of motivation videos. But none of it ever lasted, because the problem wasn't a lack of effort, it was a lack of closure. Here's what I mean. My days had no real endings. I'd start things, but I would rarely finish them. Work would bleed into the night. My thoughts stayed open, and all the stress just carried over to the next day. My mind never got a chance to rest, because nothing ever felt complete. Then I changed one small habit. It was so small, it felt almost pointless at first, but it quietly fixed everything. At the end of every single day, I started doing one intentional reset. This wasn't a full life overhaul or some long, complicated routine. It was just one simple act of closure. Here's how it looked. Before bed, I'd take just 5 minutes, and I'd ask myself 3 simple questions. First, what did I actually do today? Second, what's the one thing that truly matters tomorrow? And third, what can I let go of for tonight? That's it. No journaling pages, no complex productivity systems. It's just clarity. And something strange started to happen. My brain began to relax because it finally knew today's done. There's nothing left to solve right now. That sense of closure completely changed my sleep. It changed my mornings. It changed my focus. Here's why this works so well. Messy lives aren't always caused by chaos. They're often caused by unfinished mental loops. The tasks you didn't complete, the decisions you didn't make, the thoughts you just keep carrying around. Your brain absolutely hates these open loops, so it keeps reminding you about them. It does this through anxiety, distraction, and overthinking. That one, habit closing the day, stopped the noise. It didn't fix everything instantly, of course, but it created order where there was none. The next thing I noticed, I stopped waking up feeling overwhelmed, because tomorrow already had a shape. It had one priority, not 10. When your day has a clear starting point, procrastination loses its power. This habit also fixed my motivation problem. I realized I wasn't relying on bursts of energy anymore. I was relying on direction. Direction is so much calmer than motivation. It's way more reliable, too. Let me be clear. This isn't about being perfectly productive every single day. Some days were still messy. Some days I did very little. But even on those days, I ended with clarity. And that clarity creates momentum. Here's how you can try this for yourself tonight. Before you go to sleep, just take a moment. Write down one thing you completed today, no matter how small. Then choose just one priority for tomorrow. Finally, tell yourself, I'll handle the rest later. That's the entire habit. 5 minutes. Don't underestimate the power of small order. When one part of your life starts to feel organized, everything else begins to follow. Your space, your mind, and your actions. Looking back, I realized my life didn't need more pressure. It needed a gentle reset. It didn't need more ambition. It needed more closure. So if your life feels messy right now, not broken, just scattered, start here. End your day with intention. Try it tonight. Tonight. One small habit. One quiet reset. Let's improve together, one clear day at a time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.